So I've been hiding a secret. There is someone very special in my life right now, and I have not introduced you guys to him, but I'm finally doing it today. This is Hubie, my stuffed octopus, and I'm very excited to introduce you to him because I'm doing a very special project. Special shout out to Cricut because I'm partnering with them. They're bringing back the iconic series of turning things I hate into things I hate a little less. Let me tell you a little bit about how we met. I've been sleeping with Huey ever since I was 7 months old. To give you a little bit of backstory, growing up, I always wanted to be a marine biologist. That was like my dream job in life. I remember when me and my family would go to the beach, you would never see me on dry land. I would always be in the water with my head in a snorkel and just face down, looking at all the fish, collecting all of the seashells and anything that I could find. I remember collecting hermit crabs at one point. And it was such a known fact that I wanted to be a marine biologist that on Christmas or my birthdays, people would literally just give me marine animal books. I've always just loved the ocean, and I've loved all of the animals that reside in it, and I think I'm pretty knowledgeable. But the entire reason why this fascination kind of started is because my parents would bring me to a lot of aquariums when I was a kid. So I remember going, well, actually I don't remember because I was 7 months old, but my parents told me the story. They told me that they went to this Las Vegas aquarium in one of the hotels. I don't even remember what it was called. But they were pushing me in the stroller and they brought me to the gift shop, and I literally just jumped out of my stroller. I grabbed onto this octopus, and this is actually one of three. I actually have 3 Hubies. One is in Taiwan, one is here with me. Oh, actually I have 2 in Taiwan. Correction. He brings me a lot of comfort, and my mom would also never let me bring him outside, hence why he's in pristine, perfect condition. So in honor of Hubie, I'm going to be doing a DIY today. I'm thinking of doing an ocean themed patchwork hoodie, something that looks like this. I think it could be really cute, and I actually have the perfect hoodie. I have this old one that I haven't worn in a really long time because she's quite boring. So, you know, we're gonna spice her up. I got a bunch of cute little fabrics, and I'm gonna use the Cricut machine to cut out a lot of really cute shapes. And then we're gonna patch them all over to make a little ocean theme marine biologist kind of hoodie. Hopefully by the end of this video, I won't hate this hoodie as much. All right, let's go. First step of the project, we gotta get our handy dandy laptop out. And I have Cricut Design Space open up right now. So what I'm going to do is upload all of my little pictures that I wanna use. I think I want to do this coral, and then I'm gonna shape it, give it the right dimension. I think the little fabric I have right here is 10 by 10, so I just want to make sure that my pieces are small enough to fit that. I think I'm gonna try and cut out 4 of them. So okay, just doing a little tweaking. All right, that should be good. And then I'm just gonna save that, label it coral, and that should be it. Okay, so I need to quickly do that for all of my other shapes, and then I'll be right back. I just finished uploading all of my pictures, and here's what we have. We have a whale shark, a whale, we have fish, we have crabs, we have an octopus, of course, we have a turtle, coral, starfish, and seaweed. I feel like it's a pretty good little seascape if you ask me. Okay, now that that's done, I'm also gonna be showing you guys the other materials that I'm gonna be using with my Cricut machine in order to make this magic happen. I have my Cricut Maker, whoa, I cannot speak. Cricut Maker 4 that actually cuts fabric, which will be very useful for me today. I have, of course, all of my fabric scraps. I have my handy dandy grip mat that I'm going to use to stick the fabric on, and then this other handy dandy roller thing that will help me stick the fabric on. Before I do that, I need to select what type of fabric I'm using, and I think I'm just using cotton. So let me tip that in. And then I think we are ready to load it now. Now it says press go. It's done. Time for the big reveal. Hubie is born. Look at him. Wow, that's actually perfect. They cut that out perfectly. Now I just need to do that like 20 more times. I'm gonna do the whale shark next. Time for the most satisfying part, the peel off. That is oh my god, look at him. He's so cute. Wow, a whale shark is born. Okay, next up, let's do the seaweed. For the seaweed, I'm doing something a little different. I'm gonna use 2 different types of materials. And then I'm gonna cut out 4 because they're a little smaller, so I can actually cut multiple shapes onto each little fabric square that I have. Time for my favorite part. Okay, we have about half of our little cutouts done, so I'm gonna finish the rest of the sea creatures and then I'll be right back. Look at how cute it came out. I think this one's my favorite one because I put 2 layers on it so it looks like it has a shadow. So good. I also really like the little fish I made. Oh my god, the shapes actually just came out so cute. I feel like the cuts are super precise as well. Like, just looks so good. So now that I have all of the little creatures, we're gonna be attaching them using my handy dandy fabric glue. I'm just gonna lay my hoodie down. And I think I'm gonna determine where everything goes first before I glue everything down. Here is the layout I've decided on. Now it's time to stick everything on.
I'm using fabric glue to secure everything down, but there are actually a lot of other ways that you can do this. If you're feeling a little fancier, you could even use heat and bond or sew it on or maybe embroider the fabric. Totally up to you guys.
Are you guys ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! Wait, it's so cute. I'm like wearing a little aquarium. I love it. And it has Hubie right here. The whale is definitely my favorite. This one's also very cool, this little whale shark. Look at how sick this came out. I did it, I did it. But the ultimate question is, do I hate this hoodie a little less? I think I actually kind of love it now. And if you want to make a DIY patchwork hoodie for yourself, here are all of the materials you're gonna need. And if you make one, please tag me in it. I want to see your guys' creations. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna be wearing this hoodie all the time now. And thank you again to Cricut for partnering with me on this video.